There are many universal laws, but few discuss this powerful universal law. Have you ever heard the saying, "You are the creator of your reality"? It's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a principle that forms the cornerstone of the law of assumption. This law states that everything you want and desire is already a part of you. The law of attraction is not the same as the law of assumption. The law of attraction tells you to become a magnet for your desires, while the law of assumption goes one step ahead. It says, you don't need to attract anything, you already have it. It propels you into a space where believing is seeing. Both laws agree on one vital point, the incredible power of the subconscious mind. The law of attraction asks you to tap into your subconscious to heal and raise your vibrations. On the other hand, the law of assumption encourages you to delve into your subconscious to unearth your deepest desires and beliefs, then bring them to life. That's why healing is essential in both scenarios. Healing isn't about erasing your past. It's about freeing yourself from the shackles that hold you back. How does the law of assumption work? Everything you witness outside, people, events, circumstances, they're all reflections of what's playing inside your head. This is the basis of the law of assumption. And when you truly grasp its potential, your life will never be the same again. Think about the people who cross your path. Do some irritate you? Do others inspire you? This isn't just random, it's a mirror reflecting what's inside of you. The people who annoy you often display traits that you, consciously or subconsciously, dislike in yourself. On the flip side, those who uplift you are the embodiments of what you admire, qualities that you do have or wish to cultivate. So when you find that someone brings out the worst in you, or the best, remember, they are simply messengers. They show you what you need to work on or what you can proudly claim as part of your own essence. When you project a certain image or belief about someone, you're not just seeing them through a personal lens. You're also shaping your experience of them. This goes beyond people. It extends to every facet of your life. It is as though your mind has the capacity to edit the film in real time, transforming how the story plays out. Your projection power is your ability to shape the story, and thus, your world. To change the movie of your life, you need to rewrite the script. For example, you desire a promotion at work. Don't just wait and hope. Assume it's already yours. Start by setting an intention, which is like laying down the first draft of your script. I intend to be promoted, you declare, setting the wheels in motion. Now comes the critical part, the affirmations. Every day, repeat to yourself, I've already been promoted. Even if the reality hasn't caught up yet, your affirmation starts to rewire the subconscious, which in turn edits your life movie. This isn't a one-time thing, but a constant practice, like a mantra you hum to yourself, infusing your subconscious with the belief that your goal is not just achievable, but already achieved. Initially, this might feel like make-believe, but don't underestimate the power of repetition on the mind. Over time, your subconscious will not just accept, but expect this new reality. And that's when the extraordinary happens. Your external world begins to align with your internal state. So keep affirming. With every repetition, you come closer to manifesting your desire into physical reality. By the time you actually receive that promotion, it will feel like a natural progression, almost as if it was meant to be, because, according to the law of assumption, it was. Here is my tip. Often when we hear placebo, we think of medical trials where a sugar pill stands in for actual medication. The thing is, in many instances, people taking the placebo experience real positive changes. Why? Because they believe they're receiving treatment. This isn't mere illusion, it's a proof of the raw power of belief. Let's revisit the example of wanting a promotion. In the context of the law of assumption, you set the intention and keep affirming, I have been promoted. But when you add a placebo into the mix, like working overtime, you give your mind a tangible action to latch onto. This action reinforces your belief that the promotion is imminent, essentially tricking your mind into accepting this as an absolute truth. When you say, working these extra hours will guarantee my promotion, you create a solid connection between your action and your desire. This makes your assumption even more powerful since you're giving your mind evidence to substantiate your belief. Your boss's promoting you then becomes not just a possibility, but an inevitable outcome. It's not just about significant life changes like promotions. This can apply to personal desires too. Take the example of wanting a straighter nose. It might sound a bit fantastical, But if every day you run your finger along your nose, fully immersed in the belief that this action is reshaping it, then don't be surprised when you start to notice subtle changes. It's not magic, it's mindset. Your unwavering belief that a simple action can lead to a specific result sets off a chain reaction that brings that result into existence. I believe that no law is better than another. It just depends on the person. Think of these laws like musical instruments. Some people find it easier to play the guitar, while others are more comfortable with a piano. The instrument you choose depends on your natural affinity and what feels right in your hands. For those who find it easy to elevate their vibrational frequencies, the law of attraction serves as a magnificent tool. It's about being in harmony with the universe and aligning your energy to invite the desired outcomes. But for others who may struggle with maintaining high vibrations, the law of assumption can be a game changer. You don't need to summon anything. You just acknowledge that what you seek is already within you. I hope this explanation helps in your manifestation process. If you are still here, thank you for sticking around until the end. I wish you abundance and prosperity in your life. I hope you have a wonderful day.